Guys, hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another review. This time is going to be a two for I think. We're going to do the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 and we're going to do also a case from Ringke. This is the Fusion, it's the clear one, and it is for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Right, with that said, let's get into it a little bit. So, there we go. Peel the tab off. Nice soft opening. Right, and here you have the casing of the Galaxy Buds. Very snazzy, must say. Very nice looking. Nice silver one. They do need some battery though. But yeah, excuse me. My PC says that the Galaxy has been detected already, the Galaxy new Buds. So this is how they look. Obviously charging the case. USB-C, of course. It feels like a quality product. My only caveat is it does feel a little bit plasticky as a bud, but I mean, it was a free upgrade, so it is more than welcome. We got that with the phone, so that was part of the case, part of the deal that Samsung was doing. Now, as for the protective case, Ringke, amazing company. We've used them before as for our phones. I personally have the Ringke Fusion X for my Note 10, and this thing has had falls and drops, all sorts of things. Never once had an issue with it, never had a damaged screen. Most of the cases, they have bumpers on the corners and they have raised edges, so you can like put the phone down on the table and the screen won't touch, basically. So yeah, so went for the clear one. Ringke, not sure how they're pronounced, but the case has plastic tabs at the back that you just peel off from here. And then yeah, for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, let's see how that looks. I have to remove the case, I guess. Bit of SMR there. Have to push in all the case in there. Push all the way down. Nice and snazzy. So you got access obviously to USB-C port, your speaker, and obviously your S Pen. Got the back tab as well, you can just peel that off. Camera's unobstructed. It protects the rings, so it's quite nice and flash, so you can actually damage the rings. So you could technically now put the phone down and the rings will be protected. But yeah, overall, that's how the Ringke Fusion actually clear looks like. Very good. Phone feels sturdy and well protected. But yeah, if you're thinking of getting one, highly recommend it. Once again, thank you very much, and we will see you to the next one. Take care.